Hi guys, this is Joni Bradshaw, and for my personal creative exploration, I decided to try yoga. So I first was interested in starting to try yoga because I exercise every day, and oftentimes I have sore muscles when I'm done, and I don't stretch usually and cool down as much as I should. So I thought yoga would be a good topic to explore to help with stretching and things like that. So the first part of my project, I really just researched poses that helped with stretching the muscles and becoming more flexible, working on balance, things like that. So the first thing I found when you start yoga is they always start out in a meditation pose. Kind of like you can see here, they just sit upright, their spine all the way straight, and then you can kind of move your head side to side to stretch out. The second is the Sphinx pose here in the middle, and I actually took a video of me doing this. It stretches out your abdomen, your abs, if your abs are sore, and kind of so you kind of just sit upright with your arms. You can stretch your neck back, stretch your neck down forward. That's the Sphinx pose, kind of stretches the abs right here. And then the last one that was for beginners, that was good for stretching, is the downward dog that you see here. And this one I really need to keep working on perfecting the form. I need to become more form, looks a little bit better, so I'm still working on that daily. The next pose for stretching your legs, especially after a leg day, is the leg stretch for your hamstring and your quads. And here is a little demonstration of that. Kind of stretch your leg up. I'm working on being able to fully extend my leg straight up. And that comes in with the flexibility piece. I can't get my leg totally straight yet. And you switch and you stretch out the other one. It's good for your quads and your hamstring stretch. You could also incorporate a foam roller in this exercise if you want to kind of roll it over your legs to release some of that muscle tension. Then I started trying some more advanced poses that I worked on because the stretching ones were a bit easy. So the first one I tried was the Lord of the Dance pose, and this is actually for balance. It takes a lot of balance to stretch your leg up, and I'm working on still getting my leg up higher here that I'm holding, and eventually you should be able to hold your foot above the back of your head. So again, a lot of flexibility and balance comes into this motion. Next, I tried the shoulder press pose, which was extremely difficult, but I've been working on upper body strength and trying to do handstands, which I will show in the next slide. But handstands and the shoulder press pose take a lot of arm muscle and really working your shoulders. So I've been working on doing pike push-ups and push-ups, things that help your upper body strength. And this one I have not mastered yet, but here's a little clip. Essentially, you sit crisscross, put your arms in the middle, and then hold yourself up with your feet off the ground. And you're working your shoulders. So I'm still working on trying to hold that for, my goal is to be able to hold that for at least 20 seconds. Right now I've only gotten to about 10 seconds. And here's my handstand progression. I'm working to try to do a handstand without the assistance of a door or wall. So again, I've been working on upper body strength, and every day I just try to do a handstand for about 1 to 2 minutes, and I hold myself up against the wall. So at first I started far away from the wall, and now I'm able to get my hands as close to the door as possible, so I'm right up against the door. And hopefully soon I will be able to do a handstand without the support of the wall. Again, this takes a lot of balance and upper body strength. So I've really liked incorporating yoga into my daily routines, as it's helped me become more flexible and have a little bit more balance. And this will also help when I do my regular workouts. So there is my exhibit. Thanks so much for watching.